Okay guys, on September 24, 2023, it's me Imad, and you can see that this is my plant of white velvet, although its condition is not so much good. Okay, its pot has been broken up. Okay, now we will try to propagate it from the stem cuttings. So how we can do that? First of all, we have to select a healthy cutting, and this is our most healthy one. Okay, so now we have taken it out, and now we will remove the lower leaves, because lower leaves must be removed as they come in contact with the media and cause certain fungal rot. So it's better to always take out the leaves. Its botanical name is called as the tradescantia sillamontana. Okay, so it is the member of the family to which purple heart plant is belonged. Okay, so on October 7, 2023, after so many days have been passed, and now our cutting has also shriveled up. Why I have put it in the shade? Because we want our cutting to be healed out before planting. Because whenever we will cut it out, we can see that there is a wound. Okay, and also you need to put some holes under the pot like I did. And this is our media. Media consists of 50% sand and 50% simple garden soil. Why we have added the sand? Because we want a very better drainage. If the water used to sit inside the pot, it can be a little bit dangerous for the roots of the plant. Okay, so better drainage is obviously good for every plant. Now we have taken our now we have taken our pot, and now water it out, and now you can see that how much good drainage it has. Now this forceps, I'm just leveling it out with my sponge forceps. Now just put it like this. Okay, so, and now we will keep it in the shade. You are not supposed to put it in the sun. Okay, so this is our cutting. Okay, on November 9, 2023, now you can see that we have a little bit growth on the shooting side as well, and the condition of the plant is now satisfactory. Our cuttings condition is, our health is very much satisfactory, you can see. Okay, so hopefully it will also grown some roots. Okay, and now I cannot take it out because it has a very good root ball developed. Okay, now let me break the media and I will take it out. Okay, now you can see that these are our cuttings, these are our roots. Okay, so very good progress on both sides. So hopefully you got the concept that how we can grow our white velvet plant or tradescantia sillamontana with the stem cutting. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.